The organization of the interior space is an absolute tour de force inefficient. Deliberately open concept planning, a structural hallmark shared universally by both high mid-century modern architecture and ingenious tiny house construction. Expansive, often energy-efficient double-pane windows are strategically positioned as vital design components, serving a multitude of essential functions. They effectively saturate the entire living area with abundant daylight, dramatically enhancing the visual size of the room. And most critically, they fulfill the fundamental MCM tenet of systematically blurring the arbitrary distinction between the interior living space and the surrounding external environment. The primary pieces of furniture are characteristically designed with a low, close-to-the-ground profile and exhibit flexible, modular capabilities, perhaps exemplified by an authentically styled MCM sectional sofa or a complementary grouping of slender accent chairs upholstered in richly textured weaves or profoundly sophisticated. Colors such as moss green, intense terracotta, or deep slate blue. Each and every item is selected with rigorous discernment based on its intrinsic aesthetic form and its practical utility, thereby guaranteeing that the severely restricted floor space remains simultaneously conducive to comfortable daily occupancy and impeccably appealing to the eye. Essential storage capacity is invariably concealed into the structure with seamless precision, often utilizing cleverly integrated built-in shelving, discrete under-stair compartments, or flawlessly hidden drawer mechanisms, all meticulously designed to maintain the supremely clean, visually uninterrupted lines that are the defining feature of the perpetually stylish mid-century aesthetic. In conclusion, the immense captivating power of this spectacular mid-century tiny house on wheels originates from its highly successful synthesis of delightful retrospective charm and cutting-edge contemporary functionality. It brilliantly captures the underlying spirit of optimism and the refined, sophisticated simplicity that characterized a much-loved design period, while simultaneously and pragmatically addressing the critical modern-day demands for ecological sustainability, ease of mobility, and a more deliberate, conscious way of inhabiting a space. The much-touted timeless vibes are flawlessly realized through an unyielding and genuine devotion to authentic, quality materials, elegantly unornamented structural lines, and an intentional emphasis placed firmly on superior craftsmanship over any form of conspicuous display or extravagance. This home unequivocally stands as a powerful,